by brothers, you feel me? Make your boy want to have a little wedding here or something, you know what I'm talking about? Or a little birthday party. I been riding past this place, goddamn me, every day. And here these boys over here with the Aflac ducks just lurking. How you gonna just be lurking out here like this freak? Yeah. Banana. See what they got in these cages. Oh. You okay? Like you injured. Oh, you about to drop one. Okay. Got the Zaza. No, what the fuck? Bro, what the fuck? Oh my God. Wait up in this thing. Hey, boy, this place is amazing. Got the fishtail palms lurking in the background with the Sylvesters. No, oh my God. Oh yeah, look at the bluefish. Got little Nemo in there lurking. It look like that duck got an ankle monitor on though. Well, damn, there got another one right there, y'all. All already know. What's up? Goats be having that little stale ass face. That little BB. Little BG. Little baby goat. Y'all want some of my frap? Wanna frap it up? Go ahead and get some of that frap. Ooh, we got the baby goats. It's alert season. So at least you got a little room to roam. That boy dropping big loads over there. Oh boy. I just had me a turkey sandwich too. God. Yeah, this one right here, he fresh. Look at that black and white. God. Oh, this one look mean. God, that thing there look mean. Look like a fit outfit on him. These some big ass turkeys. This remind me of Palm Sunday. Oh, look at her lashes. She said she cute with it. That boy incarcerated. Oh my God, bro, that shit is so big, bro. Damn. These ostriches got me scared in a bit right now. Damn, look at that big ass feet, whoa. That boy, dope boy stands. Boy said I'm posted. God damn. Why they got you locked up like that though? Oh yeah, that one right there, the modeling, that bitch say stands. I see you. That one look like he violent. Oh my God, them turtles in there? What the fuck? Oh my God, what the fuck? Everything is loose. What? Damn. Oh my God. Hey, what's up, man? Oh, that thing was about to open up. Oh, look at her. She got a little bob. She got a little bob. A little fro. Oh, shit, yo. I ain't got no food. Oh, look at him. Damn, that boy got a big chest. Wow, this place is amazing, bro. Got the cockatiels up there just lurking. But look at her. Oh, look at her though. Check her out with the Frodo. I want to see the face. Can't even really see their face. That is dripping. Oh, there it go. There it go. That one right there. Got the Tina Turner right there. Got the Tina Turner on alert. These boys slid with it here. Look at this one right here though. That boy got a big chest. That boy got a Peter Griffin. Y'all, big neck ass, swole neck ass, balloon neck ass, bubble neck ass. There's a whole bunch of swole. What the fuck? Dripping. I'm talking about swag. Oh, I'm talking about stepping all the way. Look at her with the little fro. Oh, wee. She got the Golden Girls right now. I see you, babe. Hey, but you styling on them. You ain't even playing with them. Like, you strutting your stuff on them. The kick game is just elite. She got on the designer. Big chest. Like, let me show you what the play is. Ooh, I see you, little boo. Okay, y'all following me now. I like that. I like that. Yeah. Come on, bro. That thing gleaming. Whoa. This dragon breath looks crazy, yo.